Hey, what's up, Skillweed fam? Mark's here. Today I'm diving into a hot topic. Alibaba's AI Qwen 2.5 and whether it's got what it takes to outshine ChatGPT. So, Alibaba just dropped Qwen 2.5, a major upgrade in their AI lineup. This model is not just another chatbot, it's designed for text generation, translation, summarization, and even complex reasoning. Pretty cool, right? Let's break down some key features. Qwen 2.5 has enhanced context understanding, meaning it can keep track of conversations better and provide more relevant responses. It also boasts multimodal capabilities supporting text, images, and voice, just like ChatGPT. But here's where it gets interesting. Qwen 2.5 is optimized for enterprise solutions. Alibaba's aiming this at businesses, making it easy to integrate into customer service and e-commerce platforms. Plus, it's engineered for efficiency, promising faster and more accurate responses. Now let's compare it to ChatGPT. When it comes to accuracy and language understanding, Qwen 2.5 seems to have an edge with its improved contextual awareness and multilingual support. For customization and enterprise use, Alibaba has clearly tailored Qwen 2.5 for business needs, whereas ChatGPT has been popular for general consumer use. And in terms of speed and performance, Alibaba's AI acceleration might just give it the upper hand. Cost-wise, Alibaba's known for affordable solutions, so Qwen 2.5 could be a more budget-friendly option compared to ChatGPT+. So, what's the takeaway? Alibaba's Qwen 2.5 is a strong contender in the AI market, offering advanced features, business-friendly integrations, and competitive pricing. Will it dethrone ChatGPT? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the AI landscape just got a whole lot more exciting. What do you think about Qwen 2.5? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Catch you in the next one. Skillweed fam. Peace.